Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn on or off Find My Mobile on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. First, you want to go into Settings, scroll a little bit until you see Security and Privacy, click it, and here the very third option is Lost Device Protection. As you can see, the Find My Mobile is currently enabled. If we click it, we have 3 different toggles. We can allow this phone to be found, and this is basically the Find My Mobile option. And if we want to disable it, we have to input our password. So let me quickly do that. We have a very long password here. We'll click OK. And as you can see, the Find My Mobile is now turned off, as it even sends us warnings that in case that we lost our phone, we won't be able to find it. And in order to enable it again, we simply click toggle, and now our phone can be found. We can also enable offline finding, which will need to the location will have to be turned on, and we can send last location. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.